Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright my people, Skilla there again once more. Welcome to another Sunday Vibes, that's it. Yeah, sometimes on a Sunday I will present a video to you or videos to you that shows different cultures and religions and other things as well. As I say, now I'm going to present a piece of an entire video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that shows a certain amount of persons doing their worship. You see me? Yeah, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what I think about how these persons do them worship. You understand? Yeah. But you can tell me what I think about the things that they did in this video somewhat respectfully, because today is a Sunday, you know. Yeah, today is a Sunday. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. I wonder if the person can hear in the background, you know, sound like the person I'm moving or something. Oh. Each to them one, yeah, my people. This is their way of worship. So each to them one, you see me I say? Yeah. The accent, that sound, not like Jamaica accent, people. See me I say? Yeah, man. Accent, no sound like Jamaica accent, that's all. This is their way of worship. Hey, you see me, my people? You know, me is the kind of person. As me say, my people, see, me is the kind of person, you know. You see, even though I might not, you know, agree with certain cultures and agree with certain things, you see, because there are some cultures and some things where I find it somewhat dangerous or certain things, you know? Yeah, but if we go to the country where this video is recorded, just for the adventure, did I go in the church just to see how them do them things, you know? Yeah. Just to see how them do them worship. But I go in the church and just for the adventure. Still, this is an interesting way of worship still, you know. I mean, I bash no one's way of worshiping, you understand? But this is an interesting way, as I say. Somebody think kind of similar, but it's just the static, you know. Not even sure if that is a static, but when I say that, it's like a statistic. Maybe they do that as just a symbol, you know what I mean? Yeah, but I think the Bible says something about it, you know, certain things like this. I think so, I'm not sure, you know. Read the Bible, you know. Just dancehall with you, because I'm going to try to know the Bible. History of hurt in my point of view. Yeah. Some serious type of worship this young people, I tell you. It's a serious type of work. I find it interesting. I don't know about nobody else, but me find these kind of things, you know, by learning about other people's culture and support, I find these kind of things interesting. You see? And the world big, you know, in my point of view. So there's a whole heap out there for me to learn. Yeah, me no like, me no want to be like, oh, me hear some person who just know something and be like, oh, that's for real, that's for real. It's good to learn, you know. You don't have to agree with it. You don't have to do it. But it's good to learn. Have knowledge about certain things that happen in the world. People, you know what we believe still? I believe that most religion, see, let me say, I believe that most religion are connected to one God. That's how we believe. I'm not wrong, I'm not right, you see? But that's how we believe. Yeah, we believe. You know, I say all religion, most. Some deep worship as some people. Deep worship this. Now tell them people this deep that what can you deep in the night time that tell them. I understand what I say still. Which part of video record? Let me read and through that one now. Where that video record? I'm not familiar with the accent. Language too. Well, my people, each to them own, you know. Each to them own. And me is the kind of person who try my best to make sure that I do not disrespect a person's religion, nor their belief, nor their way of worship. You see me I say, but some religions and some belief, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, you know, is just not the kind of thing that I would do, and I don't really and truly find it to be accurate towards certain things. But I think that the Bible says something about something pertaining to something like about, like something like that, the statue and so forth. I'm not sure. I'm not going to try and go on like Mr. Know-it-all. But, I will try my best not to disrespect a person's religion or their belief. Yeah? So I say, I know there are quite a lot of people out there, even in the country that the video had been recorded, even though I do not know exactly where within the world that video had been recorded. But I think that there's a lot of people worldwide who might criticize some things that you can see in the video that I just presented to you. So I say, so I'm going to leave it to my people. You see it? Hope you're having a blessed Sunday. Until next time, I'm named Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. Stay safe and walk good, alright?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.